what's the best way to put tracking codes on my website, and which ones should I put? That's a really good question, and I'm glad that you are thinking about tracking everything, because if you don't track, you cannot measure. The first part of your question was the best way to put in. Now I know the easiest and the best way is to, if you are using a WordPress website or Shopify or Magento, you put in the Google Analytics tags or any conversion tracking tags within your website, which is fine. It's not a problem. The problem is when you have too many tags and you have an update on your website and something breaks or some plugins get disabled, then it is a tedious job to keep track of which ones are working and which ones aren't working. So the best way to put in all your tags is through Google Tag Manager. And as the name suggests, it is a manager for all your tags. It is completely free of charge to use. You download or sign up to your free account, and you put all the tags in there, and all you do is you take the Google Tag Manager tag and install it on your website only once. So even if you have an update on your website, you have a new website, or something changes on your site, it really doesn't matter. As long as that Tag Manager tag is on your website, everything in Google Tag Manager will work. And that is the best way to keep track of all your tags and set them up. Which tags you want to put up depends on how many channels you are running your ads on or what you want to track. But the first one and the obvious one obviously is the Google Tag, not the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics. So that you need to put in there first. So what you do is you don't put your analytics tag directly on your website. You are running all these tags through Google Tag Manager. Then you have your various Google Ads, conversion tracking, which includes calls, and if you have got a form submit or any other kind of tags which you have set up in Google Ads, again you run it through your tag manager. Then you've got your Facebook pixel. If you have tags for Twitter, LinkedIn, what else? I will also started running ads on Quora. So every platform where you want to run ads pretty much will have its own tags, Pinterest and so on. So you can put up as many tags as you like or as few, but the basic one obviously is the Google Analytics and the Google Ads conversion. And the tag manager, oops, what have I pressed? The tag manager is the best way to control all your tags.